Brown butter gelato. This is one of my favorite non-traditional gelato flavors. It's rich, nutty, and beautifully balanced with notes of caramel. It starts with butter slowly sizzling in a pan until it transforms into something deep and aromatic, then turned into a frozen dessert that's irresistible any time of year. This recipe is adapted from the brown butter gelato recipe in my book, The Art of Making Gelato. For the full recipe and important tips, check the video description below or visit our blog, and make sure to watch through to the end. Let's get started. This flavor has such incredible depth. It's rich, nutty, and the perfect match for any pie. Here are a few quick tips to make sure yours turns out perfectly. If you're using tapioca starch, like I do here, try letting the base rest and thicken in your refrigerator overnight. It'll give you a much smoother texture. Or, if you really want to elevate your gelato, you can replace the tapioca starch with locust bean gum and dextrose. The dextrose is optional as well. You can check out my other videos for the ratios I use. When it's time to add the brown butter, make sure it's still in liquid form. If it's solidified, just microwave it for about 30 seconds. You want it melted but not too hot. And one more thing, butter loses some of its water and milk solids as it browns, so you'll end up with a little less than you started with. Plan to make a bit extra to ensure you have the amount you need for this recipe. And last, as always, make sure to serve your gelato at the right temperature. I have a video all about why that's so important. You can watch it right here on the channel. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
Ooh, gelato!